Good evening, all of you. In today's class, we have to see the numericals on Newton's second law, that is in the chapter Force and Laws of Motion. Now we have to see one by one the problems or numericals. The first numerical is a man having 50 kg weight walking with a velocity of 4 meter per second, then calculate momentum of man. While solving the numericals, the most important thing is that what is given in the problem? What is given? How many variables are present in the problem? This 50 kg given mass and this 4 meter per second given, that is acceleration, that is velocity. 4 meter per second, that is velocity. And what is asked? Momentum is asked. Momentum is what? That is denoted by P. What is the formula? P is equal to mv. P is equal to mv. See here, how much mass? 50 kg m, and velocity 4 meter per second. 50 kg multiplied by 4 meter per second. What the result came? P, momentum came how much? 50 multiplied by 4, 200 kilogram meter per second. This is the answer. Momentum we have calculated. Now come to the next problem. When the ball of mass 2 kg accelerating with 5 meter per second square, then calculate the force applied on it. What is the discipline while solving the problems? At first, what is given? How many things are given? Mass is given m, that is 2 kg. Acceleration given 5 meter per second square. And what is asked to calculate? Force is asked to calculate. Force means F. Formula force, F is equal to ma. M is also given and acceleration is also given 5 meter per second square. F is equal to ma means mass 2 kg here and acceleration 5. Then see here, 2 multiplied by 5, 10. This 10 mass and acceleration. Mass unit kg, acceleration unit meter per second square. So what the answer came? Force 10 kilogram meter per second square. And this kilogram meter per second, instead of that we can write n also. We can say to 10 kilogram meter per second, the 10 n also we can say. Okay. Now the next problem, which would require a greater force accelerating a 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, and second condition, 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. This is the two questions asked in this problem. Greater force required. So we have to calculate this first condition and we have to calculate this second condition also. And whatever the answer we are getting the force, which force will be greater? At first we will calculate this first condition, 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square. So how to calculate the force? force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. 5 multiplied by 2. So what the force came here? 10 Newton in this condition. And in this condition, force, how we can calculate? 4m and 2a. 4 multiplied by 2, 8n. So now tell me, which is the greater force? This condition or this condition? This first condition. 10 Newton is more than 8 Newton, means greater force will be applied on this first condition, 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second. Answer is 10 N. Now come to the fourth problem. Calculate the acceleration of a object of 3 kilogram on which the force acting on both the side 20 Newton and 15 Newton N. See here, what is asked? Acceleration we have to calculate. And what is given in this problem? Weight of the object m 3 kg, m 3 kg, and force acting on both the side 20 N and 15 N. See here, this is the condition, this is the object. This object is having the mass 3 kg, means what is the mass given here? 3 kg. And on this 3 kg mass, the force acting on both the side, this side also and this side also. So definitely this object will move to less force side from more force side. But here, what the force we have to take? Both the force acting on this object, na? This both the side. Then we have to calculate the net force. What we have to calculate here? The net force. How to calculate the net force? Higher force minus this less force. What the answer? 20 N minus 50 N, 15 N. Then 5 N, this is the net force. 5 N, this is the net force. So all of you got how we have calculated the force here. This force we got, but here we have to calculate acceleration. Na? So what is the formula? F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. But how to calculate a then? We can bring the m to f side, means that will be f by m is equal to a. F by m is equal to a. This is from which formula we have taken? F is equal to ma. The a means f by m. M from this side when come to this side, that will be divided by. So now how much f and how much m? F is 5 and m is 3. 5 divided by 3. How much acceleration came? Calculate this. 1.66. Acceleration means what the formula? Meter per second square. In this way we have calculated what? Acceleration. Now the last fifth problem. Two objects. How many objects? Two objects of mass 5 kg and 8 kg. So don't get confused here. 5 kg means mass 1 we can write here, and 8 kg means mass 2 we can write here. Are at rest. Rest means initial velocity will be what? 0. U also will be 0, U1 also will be 0, and U2 also will be 0. Now F1 and F2 are the forces applied on both the object respectively. If the speed of both the object after 10 seconds become 10 meter per second. So this is the final velocity, 10 meter per second and 20 meter per second. So for first condition V1 10 meter per second and second condition V2 20 meter per second. Then find the value of F1 and F2. What is asked here? F1 and F2. Force is asked here. What is asked here? Force is asked here. And the most important thing in this problem is that force is asked here, but we can calculate the force only after getting acceleration. Acceleration is given here? No. So how to calculate the acceleration? Formula A is equal to V minus U. So for first condition, A1 is equal to V1 minus U1 upon T. This is the acceleration calculating formula. And the same we can use for A2. A2 means here V2 minus U2 upon T. So at first we will calculate the acceleration of first condition. V1 minus U1 upon T. The initial velocity 0 and final velocity of first condition 10. You have seen 10. See here, this V1 is 10 and in second condition initial velocity 0 and final velocity 20 and divided by time is common 10 10. Here also 10, here also 10. So simultaneously A1, how much A1 coming here? 10 divided by 10, 0 minus 10, this is the 10 only. 10, 10. A1 will be what? 1. And A2 will be how much? A2 will be 20 divided by 10, 2. So this value we can put in the formula. F1 is equal to M1 A1 and F2 is equal to M2 A2. Okay. So M1, how much M1? 5. We have calculated 5 and multiplied by A1 came 1. 5 Newton F1 and F2 M2 A2. The M2 given na 8 kg here. Here M1 we have calculated 5 kg. The 8 multiplied by A2 we have calculated here 2. Here come 10 2s are 2. 8 multiplied by 2. What the answer came? 16N. F1 5N and F2 16N. Is it correct? See here, two objects of mass 5 kg and 8 kg are at rest. F1 and F2 are the forces applied on both respectively. If the speed of both the object after 10 seconds become 10 meter per second and 20 meter per second, then find the values of F1 and F2. So all of you got the values of F1 and F2. F1 5N and F2 16N. In this way we have seen the numericals on Newton's second law of motion.